Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to add and use the event feature in your app. Log in your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on Manage App and you'll be redirected to the Overview page. Under the Edit, Test and Go Live section, click on Edit. In your Edit App section, go to the menu on the top left and click on Add Feature. In this slide out menu, click View All to see the list of features. Search for the event feature and click on Add Feature to add it to your app. You will now see the event feature listed in my Features section. When you hover over the feature, you will see multiple options like hide the feature, edit and customize the feature, and delete the feature. For more options, click on the Keyboard menu on the right and explore the options to move the feature up, down, top, bottom, or to another folder. Let's click on the Edit and Customize Feature option to see how we can edit the feature further. Here in the Edit Feature section, you will see all the options you can explore and start using the feature in your app. You can change the page name here. Click on the Change Icon section and this window will open up. Click on Select Icon where you will see multiple options for icons. You can further choose to see any solid and outline options. In the Select Image section, you will see loads of options for images that can be used as icons for your event feature. You can also upload a custom icon for Apple, Android, and website to make your app icon stand out. In the Content section, you can see a number of options for you to choose from, like Eventful, Eventbrite, Facebook, Bandstown, Google, Meetup, Book My Show, and even add custom events. Since we have chosen Eventful, you can see related fields here. You can change the name here. Click on the icon and you will see a massive list of options for icons to choose from. You can also choose a custom icon for the event. Here you need to enter the name of the artist. You can click on the bin icon here and confirm deletion here to delete the event. Click on Add More to add more eventful events to the list. Click on the bin and confirm to delete the page. Next, click on Eventbrite, enter the Eventbrite personal authorization token here. You can click here for more information on how to record one. Click on the bin and confirm deletion to delete the event. Click on the Facebook button in the Content section. You can change the name of the event and add the Facebook event page URL. Click on Add More to add more Facebook events. Click on the bin icon to delete the event permanently. You can choose to open the Facebook event as a website with this toggle button. You also have the option to enable in-app browser navigation support. Click on Bandstown. You can change the name of the event and the icon here. Enter the name of the artist here. Click on Add More to add more events from Bandstown and add the required details. Click on the bin and confirm to delete the event. Next, click on Google. Once again, you can change the name and icon of the event from here. Add the email address associated with your Google Calendar. Fill in the dates. Click on Add More to add more Google events. And click on the bin icon to delete the event. You can choose to open the Google event as a website and show only future events using the toggle button next to these options. You also have the option to enable in-app browser navigation support. Let's move to Meetup. Enter the Meetup API key. You can click here for more information on how to procure this key. You can change the name of the event and the icon here. Next, add the Meetup group URL. Click on the bin icon and confirm to delete the event. Click on Book My Show. You can change the name and icon of the event here. Then add your Book My Show URL here. Click on the bin icon and confirm to delete the event. You can add more Book My Show events here. In the Custom Events section, you can change the name and icon of the event by clicking here. Click here to add or manage custom events. Here you will see options like Manage Categories, Users List, General Settings, Manage Bookings, and Manage Reviews. In the Manage Categories section, you can add categories by clicking on this button. Add the category name and choose whether you want this category to be active or inactive. Next, choose how you want to sort the subcategories and events by choosing an option from the drop-down menu. Click Save to add the new category and you will see the category listed on the Manage Categories page with all the details and options like category name, manage subcategories, manage events, and the status of the category. Click on the ellipsis button to see more options. Go to the ellipsis button and click on the subcategories option. Next, click on Add New Subcategory button. Now add the name of the subcategory, choose whether you want this category to be active or inactive, and how you want to sort events by choosing an option from the drop-down menu. You can upload an image for the subcategory by clicking here. Click Save to add the new subcategory. You'll be able to see the new subcategory on the subcategory page with all the details like click on the Manage Events option. Click on Add Event. Click Save and the event listings on the events page with details like the event name and the status of the event. Click on the ellipsis button to see more options. Click on the users list to see the events listed by the app users. Next, click on General Settings and you will automatically land on the configuration settings. Add the email address where you want to receive inquiries. You can add multiple addresses, choose the appropriate options using the toggle buttons next to them, and add further details like default distance unit, default range, maximum booking limits, and maximum price filter. You can choose to display or hide the map and sort the events listing by choosing an option from the drop-down menu. Click Save and your settings will be saved. Next, click on the Payment Settings section and choose a currency. Then choose the payment method you want to implement, add relevant details, and click Save. Click on Manage Options and add, edit, or delete the genres and ticket classes here. Now go to the Language Settings section and check whether you want to add or edit any field. Next, click on Rules. You can add rules under 3 categories: discount, tax, and miscellaneous tax. Click here to add a new discount rule by adding details like the total amount, the rule you want to apply, the discount price, and the rate. Click on the Save button to see it on the list of rules. Go to the Tax section and add New Tax. Click Save to add the new tax. You will see the new tax listed here. Click on the Miscellaneous Tax option now. Here, click on the Add New Miscellaneous Tax button. And this pop-up will appear. Mention the details like tax type and tax amount. Select the rate from the drop-down here. Click Save and the miscellaneous tax will appear here. Next, click on Coupons. Click on the Add New Coupon button and enter the details. Click Save and the coupon will be added to the list. Click on the CMS Pages section. Here you can add terms and conditions and the privacy policy and then click Save. Now click on Manage Bookings. Here you'll be able to see any bookings that your app users will make through your app. In the Manage Review sections, you will be able to see all the reviews left by the app users. Click on Go Back to reach the App Editor section. Now that we are done with the Content section, let's move to the Design section. Here you can change the page elements, color, and font size. You can also choose to enable the back navigation button on the header using this toggle button. Next, go to the In-App Settings. Here you can enable or disable in-app for your app with the simple toggle action. Here you can add the Android and iOS payment credentials. You can also find relevant tutorials for the process by clicking here. Scroll down and add your Android payment receipt credentials. You can choose to use these credentials as global credentials. All the edits and changes will be saved automatically, but you can also save them manually. As soon as you click Publish, you'll be able to see all the changes immediately.